Right after he went to see the Mummy Museum, that's when he started saying he heard things. He thought he could hear something breathing upstairs in his room.
Now at the breakfast table, the remnants of the night's fear hung heavy in the air. Caleb's parents, they noticed his unease, probably the best way to put it. His mother probing gently about the noises that, if anything, had disturbed the quiet of their home. But understanding was elusive, his father's word reflecting dismissal more than disbelief. His father said that more than likely he was just upset because he saw a mummy in a museum. The house was old. It's not uncommon for it to make those kind of strange noises.
My dad dismissed it as me being too old to be experienced the boogeyman or monsters.